this is how you use the teaspoon with your special baking powder jar. Whenever you scoop it, your fingers don't even have to touch it. You scrape it right there and you get 1 teaspoon. Now we need 3 teaspoons.
Yeah.
That's 1. Dump it in. Good.
Oh, I didn't.
That's perfect. And 1 more is 1 plus 1 is 2. Good job making it flat. And what is 3 minus 2? 1 more. Good job. So we need 3 teaspoons according to our instructions. Do 1 more teaspoon, sweetheart.
1 more?
Yeah, 1 more because we need 3 teaspoons.
Okay.
That's our list. That's our instruction. Just scrape it off inside the jar. Good. And we washed our hands before. 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. And check it off the list, please.
Okay, ma'am.
3 teaspoons, check. 1 teaspoon is right here. Okay, that was 1 cup of flour, and here's 3 teaspoons. Good.